Assalamualaikum. 안녕하세요. Hello. 여기 오신 것을 환영합니다. Welcome here. 저는 Usman입니다. I am Usman. 저는 파키스탄에서 왔습니다. I am from Pakistan. 저는 한국어를 배우고 I am learning Korean language. 잘 지내시나요? How are you? This is my day 15 of Korean language speaking challenge, and in this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Jasiyah, Surah number 45, ayat number 2. It is Igosun Guanun Gawa Chihiro Chungman Hasin Hanani Murubuto Gisi Doin Sangsura. It means this is the scripture revealed from Allah, who is most powerful and who is most wise. इसका मतलब था कि ये किताब है अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से नाजिल की हुई जो बहुत ही ताकतवर ज़बरदस्त और हिकमत वाला है. In this sentence in Korean language, Igosun means this, Guanangawa means power and authority, Ji-hiro means with wisdom. So this is from my side. This is day 15 of Korean language speaking challenge. I am trying to practice Korean. So this is a sort of practice in these videos. 감사합니다. Thank you. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye. 출근 시간 되세요. Have a nice time. See you later.